Good day, this is CJ Miller. I have run the Spiritual Artist brand for more than 5 years. And after 5 years, there's one thing I know that there are tons of spiritual artists out there, but they're all working alone in their own studios. They don't have anybody to share anything with. It's isolating, right? And so I decided I wanted to create a community, sort of like a social media account, but better, where people could share their work, get ideas, get inspired, get guided from other spiritual artists. So I have created a circle group called the Spiritual Artist Circle. There's going to be a link at the end of this video, and I'd love for you to join. It's free. I pay the monthly fee. Everything is free. We already have a lot of people online sharing from all over the world, and I think you're going to find it inspiring. What I like about this is it doesn't have all the nastiness of social media. You know, the paid for advertising, the pushing you in certain directions, the nasty comments. This is a purely healthy, loving environment where you're safe. So I invite you to scan in, check in, see what we're doing. I share videos, we share books, people share techniques, they're sharing what they're working on. It's a lovely place to be a spiritual artist. I hope I see you online. Bye. Thanks again for listening to the Spiritual Artist Podcast. Whether you're watching this show on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, Google Play, or iHeartRadio, make sure you choose the subscribe button so that you will receive updates when new segments are released. Most importantly, be still, listen, and know that you are a spiritual artist.